all, Jenny here from Sip So Do, and welcome to my channel. This is my first ever vlog, the debut vlog, if you will, and something I have been wanting to start for a while now. I actually did not pick up sewing until college. I majored in interior design, and one semester we had to do a project where we had to make cushions. And I did not know how to sew. I actually borrowed a friend's sewing machine. She basically taught me how to thread it and said, okay, figure it out. And I made those cushions, and I had never felt more proud of myself for making those cushions from scratch. From that project on, I was addicted. I'm a sewing holic now, a sew-holic. And I really wanted to start this channel so that I could share my passion and my love for sewing with you all, and hope to inspire you to dust off that sewing machine that your grandma got you for Christmas 4 years ago. You know who you are. Get it out of the closet. Let's learn how to thread it, learn how to use it together, and let's start creating something awesome. Because sewing is not that hard. Honestly, the hardest part is just starting. It seems daunting at first because we are very used to going to the store, seeing clothing on the racks. It fits pretty good, so we buy it and then we take it home. And it's a foreign concept to us to go get bolts of fabric and make our own clothing from scratch. It just seems scary at first. But I'm here to tell you the hardest part to sewing is just starting. It's getting a sewing machine, learning how to thread it, not as hard as you would think. And it's just starting by doing projects and just getting over that hill, and then the whole world of possibilities is there for you. You can really let your imagination run wild. So starting with this first vlog, I thought it would be great to share with you my fabric haul for February as well as my sewing plans this month. But first, I have a lovely lady that wants to meet you, and I think you guys want to meet her even though you don't know it yet. She is my sewing buddy. She is always at my feet whenever I'm sewing. In fact, she's here right now when I'm filming this vlog, and I think you need to meet her. Let me get her. Okay, this is Robin. She is my baby girl. By baby, I mean 13. She's 13 years old. And like I said, she is my sewing buddy. She is always there in the sewing room with me. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of her on the vlog. Oh, did you feel good? Oh, goodness, that's the place, huh? Oh, anyway, just thought you guys needed to meet her because she is the love of my life, right? Yes, sweet baby. She also has a brother named Batman. He's a Pomeranian. He's upstairs right now because, you know, he has nothing to do with sewing. What you doing? You trying to lick my hand? Yeah. All right, on to the fabric haul. So being the month of February, I found the coolest Valentine's Day fabric. I'm so excited to share with you guys. One thing you have to know about me is I love to theme. I love it. There's a holiday out there, I want to dress to match it, whether it's Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, Christmas. I even have some skirts that I wear during Shark Week. That's how much I'm into theming. So without further ado, my first fabric is, of course, this awesome candy hearts. So I found this at Joann's. It's actually 100% cotton, and it's a quilting fabric. But don't those candy hearts look so realistic? Looks good enough to eat, right? So I want to make a dress out of this to wear to work. My work is really flexible, and I'm able to get away with wearing these crazy things, as long as I, you know, maybe dress it up with a blazer and a pair of heels. But I'll be making this pattern. So this is McCall's 7313, and I think I'm gonna do this version right here, the red one. It's sleeveless, it's got a pretty skirt with it. It seems fairly easy. I usually sew with McCall's, but I haven't made this pattern yet. So I'll have to tell you guys how it went after I make it. So this is fabric haul number 1, candy hearts. All right, the next one is also Valentine's theme. A little bit more dressy. I am actually gonna make a cute cocktail dress out of this and wear it out to dinner with my husband. So it is a tulle and it's got these pretty hearts all over it. Isn't it gorgeous? I think it's gonna be really pretty, definitely like a cocktail dress. I'm gonna put a red satin lining underneath it. Obviously it's a little see-through, but I just want it to be like a full circle skirt, very poofy at the bottom, and then a tapered, very fitted top, kind of like this one, to wear on date night on February 14th. All right, the third one is this gorgeous, I mean, talk about fabric heaven, gorgeous wide plaid rayon. And if you guys haven't fallen in love with rayon as a fabric yet, you need to. It feels so soft. It's has great movement. It's very drapey, which makes wonderful fabric to work with for a dress. The only thing is it's a little tricky at first. So rayon, I would not, if you're brand new at sewing, I would not start off with rayon first. Definitely start out with the cotton, like the candy hearts, because that way you just get used to feeling how the machines threads the fabric and how it feels. Then once you accomplish that, move on to rayon and then fall in love with this fabric because I love it. Anyway, I'm super excited about this, as you can tell. I want to make this a dress that I can wear multiple times in multiple seasons. Being such a gray plaid and basically a basic, yeah, that works. Being a basic, I think I can pair it with a yellow belt or a pink belt, different cardigans. So I definitely want this to be like versatile dress for me. But I'm in love with the 1950s, so it's probably gonna be some sort of 50s style silhouette. Okay, so the last one is actually a total wild card. So I found this fabric at a thrift store. It is very retro 70s. Check this out. It has the coolest like oblong shaped daisies, and then it's a border print as well in this bright yellow and purple, which I think would go great with my hair, right? This beautiful purple color. And it's being a border print, I think it'd make a really cool kimono cardigan or something like that. So there was only 1.5 yards, which is a little disappointing because it does limit what I can make for myself. So I'm not entirely sure. I'm thinking, like I said, a kimono cardigan, something with, you know, kind of drapey sleeves to wear. But I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I make out of this? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to know, love to get ideas, because I just think it's too cute not to make something awesome out of it. Right? Right? So that's it. Those are my February sewing plans and my fabric haul. I gotta get started because this is the shortest month of the year and it's already the first week of February, so I got my hands full. All right, so I'm gonna go get to sewing. You guys make sure you subscribe to this video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Sip So Do. I post there regularly so you can keep up in between vlogs. Other than that, I will see you soon. Have a great day.